Welcome to Bangkok, where the streets are alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of some of the world's best street food. Today, we're going to explore the vibrant world of Thai street food and discover some of the most delicious and unique dishes this country has to offer. We start our journey with one of the most iconic Thai street food dishes, Pad Thai. Made with stir-fried noodles, shrimp, bean sprouts, and peanuts, this dish is a staple of street food stalls all over Thailand. Pad Thai is easy to make, but it's all about getting the balance of flavors just right. You need a little sweet, a little sour, and a little spicy. The secret to great Pad Thai lies in the sauce, which typically includes tamarind paste, fish sauce, and sugar. And while it may seem like a simple dish, every street food vendor has their own unique twist on this classic dish. The noodles are perfectly cooked, and the sauce is just the right balance of sweet and sour. Next up, we have a dish that's not quite as well known outside of Thailand, but is a favorite among locals. Pad Krapao. Pad Krapao is a popular Thai dish that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. This classic Thai stir-fry is made with holy basil, which adds an unmistakable flavor to the dish. This stir-fry is made with garlic, chili, and a variety of vegetables and proteins, usually pork, chicken, or shrimp. The dish is served with a fried egg and a side of steamed jasmine rice. Pad Krapao is the perfect combination of savory, spicy, and fragrant flavors. Whether you are looking for a quick meal or a hearty dinner, Pad Krapao is sure to satisfy your cravings. Try this delicious Thai dish today and see why Pad Krapao is a favorite all over the world. Finally, no tour of Thai street food would be complete without a visit to a medley of flavors, textures, and colors that combine to create an amazing and unique flavor. And for that, we turn to one of the most popular street food treats in Thailand, Som Tam. Som Tam, or papaya salad, is a dish popular in Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries. The base of Som Tam is julienne green papaya, which is then combined with a variety of other ingredients. These can range from garlic, dried shrimp, fish sauce, lime juice, chili peppers, peanuts, and other seasonings. The beauty of Som Tam is that it can be tweaked and adjusted to your preferences. Whether you prefer it spicy or mild, with or without peanuts, or with more vegetables, you can make it your own. So if you're looking to add a little spice and flavor to your life, why not give Som Tam a try? You won't be disappointed. And that concludes our tour of Thai street food. Whether you're in the mood for savory noodles, a rich curry soup, or a sweet and satisfying dessert, the streets of Bangkok have something for everyone. So the next time you're in Thailand, be sure to explore the incredible world of street food and discover some of the most delicious dishes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.